Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal share. This one's a traveller's notebook sized journal, so it's not a big chunky one. Thought I'd give myself a break. So yeah, it's very eclectic. I've just used a lot of things that were left over from the last lot of journals that I made, and it was just all on my desk, so I just put it to good use. So the journal measures 8¼ by 4½. It has one signature, 48 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop, and I will put a link, and I will have some form of special offer on that for today only. Excuse me, voice has gone a bit croaky. Right, so the cover for this is cardstock, which I've got a little bit of ink on. Cardstock, and I glued it to cardstock as well, and then I stitched it, so it's a nice thick cover. Still a soft cover, it's not a hard cover. This topper here is actually a freebie over on my KoFi Shop, so you can go and check that out. And this is just some fabric, cotton fabric as a closure. So we've got some ruffles and tabs and stuff throughout the journal. Butterflies at ARTYmaze, and that is the freebie that goes with this. You actually get like 2 little topper things and some butterflies and some words. So we have got here a pocket. This is a freebie on my KoFi Shop. This is a butterfly from ARTYmaze, and that's ARTYmaze as well. So after stenciling all this lovely vintage music paper, I covered it over. That's doubled up because it was rather thin. You can see the stenciling here. We've got little tags there and just bits and bobs. It's mainly from like ARTYmaze, the old design shop. Tsunami rolls. Can't remember now because, like I said, it's bits and bobs of everything that's left over. Done some stenciling here, got a butterfly there. This little piece is the old design shop, and that's a Tim Holtz flower die. Some bling on there. Couple of pieces in here. I don't know who that's from. This is Tsunami Rose, and that's, you can see some stenciling in there as well. So I'd done something the other day, I mentioned it in my last video, where I was coffee dyeing and I was getting some really great marks from stencils and stuff, and I tried it again today and it was rubbish. I don't know what I'd done wrong. I don't know what I'd done right, I should say, to get it how I got it the other day. Must have just been a fluke. Postcard there, a little piece here, little tag. Here we've got, see, this is some of the markings, but you can see it in there. Little bit of, I think it was paints and coffee water and stuff. I suppose this is why I should just turn the camera on when I try these things, and if it turns out rubbish, then you don't see it. If it is good, then it goes on YouTube. Just little pieces. I think this is from, who's that from? That is from Nectar's Creations. Postcard there's from Tracie Fox, and this is a freebie from ARTYmaze. This is a book page where I've done some coffee dyeing and some stenciling, some ruffle here. The book page is England is a Garden. Then here we've just got like a double pocket that matched really well with that. This is from Pink Monarch, and I can't remember the name of the kit. Is it Sweet Blossom, possibly? And we've got a flip out here. That's Pink Monarch as well. That's the other topper to go with that, the freebie on my KoFi Shop. I just put another freebie up on there today, which is 4 little library cards that realistically I should have popped in here, but I never. Got a flip there, some coffee dyeing and some stenciling. This piece is from TaylorMadeJournals. That goes there. Little piece of, that kind of went in wonky, but I kind of like it. I like seeing other people when they've got, you know, like maybe envelopes and they're skewiffy and stuff like that. Is skewiffy a word? Well, it is tonight on my channel. Yeah, wasn't supposed to be like that, but it turned out like that. More stenciling. I used 3 different types of stencils and just kind of alternated them as I went through the journal. This has been coffee dyed and stenciled. And a postcard there from Tracie Fox. This is ARTYmaze. Some more pieces where I don't know where they came from. ARTYmaze, and this is ARTYmaze as well. See, look how cool that is. I'll have to do some more experimenting. I did try today and it just didn't work. Right, so we've got one of these flip downy things. And some pieces. This was all from, it was vintage advertising, I know that much. Look how cool that is. And I just can't remember the name of the shop. And I've got it on my computer, but I don't have the name of the shop on there. I'll have to, and I know I've had it a while, like a long time. And it was on my old Etsy account. So that is a tag there. Can't remember who that's from. But there, that's the book page again, from England is a Garden. And then we have that. Thought that just all kind of went well. I like seeing the stenciling. Piece of trim here. Pockets there. Don't know why I've got glue there. There seems to be a bit of glue must have stuck to things. I'll sort that. A tag there from ARTYmaze. So I've had to shut my door over because the fans are on upstairs. It is so humid, and I've shut the window over as well because there's a little bit of noise out there. And I'm sweating. It's like unhealthy. Hearts in the center. Journal space. Some more tags here. Stenciling. There we go. This is Pink Monarch as well. Can't remember who that's from. That's the England is a Garden ARTYmaze freebie. The big tags there from ARTYmaze are from Tag Galore. And that flips out like so. TaylorMadeJournals. You will find a whole list of people tagged below, links below I should say, to their Etsy, where you can go find all their bits and bobs. That's my thing that I done. I don't know how to recreate. Postcards there. I love these. Another big tag. Oh, and all these are from MyPorchPrints. Look how cool that is. Kind of looks like, what do you call that? Can't remember what it's called. Ecodyne without the Ecodyne. And just little pieces here and there. Another wonky piece here. Tag in there, and obviously that flips out. Skewiffy. And we'll just put that there so that everything stays in when we put it back. Like that. That's a flip out. TaylorMadeJournals. Little tag. Oh, this is from Line.Arrow. I think that is from the old design shop. Don't know who that's from. Butterflies from ARTYmaze. Just bits and bobs again. England is a Garden. This is ARTYmaze. I don't know who half of that's from. It's just there. It's just there in my stash. ARTYmaze. That's a flip out here. We've got that there. TaylorMadeJournals. What have we got here? Got a pocket. Just bits and bobs. Bits and bobs. That's just like a full envelope-y thing. That just goes in there. I've got a tab here. Got more bits and bobs there. And some book dictionary page, I think. Yep. Bit stenciling here. Just a few pieces I popped on there. That's a freebie from my KoFi Shop. The butterfly card is from ARTYmaze. This is just a little flip out there as well, with postcard and a tag here from Line.Arrow. And that goes on there, and that is the journal. So there's a lot going on in there, but there is still a lot of journal space. You can journal on the backs of everything. There's space where you could journal on the pages. So yeah, so there we go. If you have any questions, just ask. I will put the links below. I think I'll put this on like with a £10 off offer on this today. That's what I'll do. So I'll tie that better in a minute. I'm rubbish at doing the tying when I'm on camera. There we go. It's a bit better, I think. Yeah, so I hope you're all having a great day, and I will speak to you all soon. Still didn't do that very good. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.